Yes, I have. I haven't? I thought I did. I've been told I haven't made peach cobbler this entire summer. So let's get to it. Pitter patter. This is a lot more than 6 cups of sliced peaches. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Who cares? More peaches, the better. So you might be wondering why I am scraping out the red part where the pit is in the peach. And the reason for that is because during the baking process, if you don't do that, then this causes the peach to become bitter, and we don't want that. Welcome back. So we have our peaches sliced. My recipe calls for 6 cups of sliced peaches. This is a lot more than 6 cups of sliced peaches. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Who cares? More peaches, the better. The recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of sugar and also a tablespoon of cornstarch. And the reason for the cornstarch is this. When we add the sugar to the peaches, it's going to start a chemical reaction where the peaches are going to start releasing their juices. The cornstarch, it acts as a binder, so it's going to kind of thicken those juices so that when you finally bake and get into eating this, you just don't have this juicy mess all over the place. It's kind of solidified in a way, and that's what we want. So let's add our sugar. And I'm going to add that first, and I'm going to start mixing this up, and then we will add our cornstarch. It doesn't take long for this chemical reaction to start. Now let's add our cornstarch. It's kind of the same concept like when you are making an apple pie. You'll add flour or cornstarch to it. Also, I have a little pinch of salt here that we're adding. And this is it. This is so simple. This part. This is going to be ready to go in the oven shortly, and then we make our topping. All right, let's make our topping. We have 1 cup of flour. I like a lot of topping. 1 cup of oats. A 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. A 1/2 cup of regular white granulated sugar. And this is a combination of a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just pour that right in there. Now, we're going to add in our butter. And I do this with my hands, so just to avoid messiness, it's another thing about me, I'm going to use some gloves. And we're going to just put the butter in here. Yes. Okay. And this is kind of what it looks like. That way you can just sprinkle it on top when we're ready to get everything in the oven. Now we are ready to get this cobbler in the oven. As you can see, if you look at the peaches, see how they've started to form juices, which is why we need the cornstarch as a binder. Go, give this a little shake. Perfect. Now we're just going to sprinkle our topping all over the top evenly. get it on the peaches as much as possible. There you have it, and this is ready to get into the oven. Wouldn't you know it, I was so excited when the cobbler came out of the oven that I forgot to film it. Trust me when I say it was delicious, especially with vanilla ice cream. If you like this video and would like to see more, click the thumbs up button, and better yet, subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or questions, list them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.